tuning in. So today I have something different. We're doing a Valentine's Day eye tutorial, but this look, I did not know I was gonna do this look, and I did not know it was gonna be a Valentine's Day tutorial, because this video is a makeup challenge. So what I did, I got this from TikTok. What I did is I got 3 palettes, counted up the number of colors that I have, and made sure to keep them in order. Counted up the number of colors that I have, put them in a number generator, and randomly had it pick 3 different numbers for me to put on my eyes. In the TikTok challenge, you're supposed to have 1 big palette, but I don't have that, so I went ahead and did 3 small ones. So I thought it was pretty cool, and I really thought I was gonna get more random colors, but I really didn't. And it turned out to be a 2-in-1, Valentine's Day and a makeup challenge. So the palettes that I used, I'm putting it in the order of how it was randomly picked. The first 10 colors were from the NYX Off Tropic palette, and it looks like this. I tried to pick at least one that had a lot of crazy colors. The next one is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. It looks like that. And then last but not least, this is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Briar House palette. Tilted. Yeah, it looks like that. Those are the palettes I used. Well, while we're here, I'm just gonna swatch the colors that came out. Those are the colors I got. So if you want to see how I did this look with those colors, you can keep watching. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so keep watching. Give your girl a shout out on whatever platforms you have. Don't listen to me, I'm an idiot. Alright. Hi. Okay. I didn't fucking leave my remote. God. Bye. So I'm using this concealer by AOA in the color beige. Honestly, I don't really like this concealer anymore. It's gotten a little too thick for me now, and it creases a lot, so I wouldn't recommend buying it. But for this video, I kind of just went with it because I had started. So I put that all over my eyes, and I then carved out my eyebrows with that same concealer. Now I'm going to be setting that concealer with my Hydra Mist Loose Powder by Becca. This is really great if you don't like a super drying powder, or if you have dry skin. This feels great. It doesn't feel super dry. It feels actually hydrating. When you put it on, it feels wet. So it's a little weird, but it works really well for dry skin. So the first color that I got, it was number 16, and that came out to be the Storm Dust color in the Dominique Cosmetics palette. I pressed that into my outer corner, And then I went on to dragging it all the way to the rest of my crease. I continued to pack on the color and blend as I added more color. With this color, you kind of have to do that just because if you go in and pack it and don't blend in between, it kind of gets really patchy. So yeah, pack, blend, pack, blend, pack, blend. That is the strategy. Now I'm cutting my crease with that same AO8 concealer in beige. The next color was number 27. That turned out to be the color Enchanted in the Storybook Cosmetics palette Little Briar House. I packed that onto my lid where I applied the concealer, and I just put that all over. So what I'm doing here now is I'm adding some concealer just to the ends to create a wing, and I'm gonna pull that in so that I can have a base to add my smoky liner. And the last color I got came out to be number 6. And that was the pink color in the bottom left corner. It didn't have a name, it was literally called number 6. So I started packing that on where I had just winged out the ends with the concealer. And I'm just kind of doing side to side motion. I'm not really like making it super precise, just kind of blending it out, letting it smoke out. I wanted it to look, you know, kind of like an ombre, but I also wanted you to be able to tell that it was like a pink smoky liner. So here I took a Q-tip with some makeup remover on it, and I just kind of cleaned up the edges of that eyeshadow and just made it real neat, real precise. Now I'll be using the Manakadar, I do not know how to pronounce that, but I'm using this mascara for my lashes, and it has like little fibers in it to make your lashes look fuller, but I still put on some false lashes and yeah, just to blend my lashes and the fake lashes together. For my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth collection in the color 310 Sun Beige. For concealer, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer in the number 63, the Middle Ground. And to set my face, I'm using the same Becca Hydro Mist Loose Powder. For contour, I'm using my dusty old Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm using the color Espresso. For blush, I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty. As you can see, this has been with me for a long time. And I just put that on my cheeks and all the way across my nose. Now I'm just taking that same pink color, the number 6 color in the Off Tropic palette, and I'm just kind of smoking out my bottom lash line so it can, look a little more hazy, a little more sultry. Now I am lining my waterline, and this is the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the color You're Always White. Okay, so this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream. This is like a holographic highlighter, and it looks really cute with this look. For my lips, I'm using the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Cream Liquid Lip in the color Love. This is the final look, guys. We are slaying. Yes. So like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you try this look. Let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. I want to know. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your day. Whether you're single or taken, enjoy this day. Do something not just for somebody else. Do something for yourself. Love yourself. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.